Ochala OKWANJULAN'EMBAGA.
Yebale sebo oyemembera abagenyi webale kwisha iwe n'abagenyi niche onyoterezeho kunuya ebinogamba babihulire yebale
Mbabazi nanga tata nanga mwana nanga mutima rukwera tukusima kandi twebaza abwizoberi nyamurungi eri watwereza tukusima abwe bishuma birungi ebiwayanire ombana bawe Stanislas na Jenny azokanamu ebishuma ebyoruzaro kandi erizo amukama nko walitebekana isoti walisima wakunda mukama okulihereza ekitino eki na mnonga obuturukongera okusima bw'omwana wa Resty orukutuyisa aizoba nk'eri rikuru eryari kuza kutandika orugendo rwe ogw'amagara g'obushwere mwenu mukama ntwenda kongera okumukwasa ntukwasa izoberi kandi ntukwasa byona ebirakorerwa omu mwanya ogu twenda kushaba ngo tuhereze obuhoro n'obutebekana okuruga omu kutandika okwika kuhendera mwenu mukama shaba ngo hereza izobera omugisha kandi nebyaza kukorerwa omu mwanya ogu obihereza omugisha gwawe abaana bawe bagume barinzigwe embabazi zawe bagume biine obusinge kandi bakira obusinguzi omu rugendo rwabo orubaza kutandika eriizooba bagume babanjirwa amaani gawe batakahikwaho amaani mabigona kureka bagume bari omu mbabazi zawe ezirabebembere kandi zikabareetera okushemererwa nangwa oko kubatakabona omu magara gaabo leka eriizooba kubaase kutandika haza byona mukama tongere tugeshinise okuhereza izina ryawe ekitiinwa ebyona twabishaba twine okwikiriza kubitunga okurabira omuri Yesu Kristo mukama waitu.
Ndabasa kulete nyongole nkezi mukazireba nkumunanka umufuma ari kuzomusaba abana muwambera mukaba batunga appetite please amina kale DJ Stura mumpe appetite please omugaro kukagari omutima sotanga kagari igime lake nabangazi afuta apereza kunati alagawe idurati nafunana mulungi yatumire
DJ bahe bonjere mamani DJ bonjere mamani kugira ngo babone akazi n'abakisha kuno aho kwanya okurutikuriye muraro nabwejo Can your people show happiness, Dennis? Can they? Omwami Dennis. Sebo Dennis. Abana nkaba balichoka kumano baleba nkamisi koru riere.
Sibireje
kwabakira mnonga mukayi
mwebali kuno
Eya mwamanyirira barokufukama abana bakigana bagomba rinke bikondo byesemu uko gambiri utandika weza nibo bakurira aha
Come.
Mukwanda tulaba ku Delta TV tukole nkwagala nnyo bannange omwana ono agenze n'avaayo mbadde ndudde okulaba abagole nga bambala color blue naye ono omwana ayambadde blue. She is so beautiful, so smart, so elegant. I can't stop looking at you. Turn around. Ah, checho mwana. Hey, rebo muntu. Hey.
Hello, Sharita, how are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for coming for my function.
You're welcome.
It's a surprise that I think my parents gave me. I didn't know that you were coming.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, Shanita. How are
You
you?
look so smart.
Thank you.
I can't stop looking at you.
Neanza mkwano. Stima shamkama.
Amina. Lotya?
I am fine.
Olivluj.
Nyab.
Olo was that?
I am just thinking, I'm imagining that moment when I am picking out Ivan out of the rest and taking him to my parents and introducing him as the one that I have chosen.
That moment is going to be so lovely.
Yes.
Where did you guys meet?
Met, he came to my school. Yes.
What school was that? Everyone should come there.
I was at the Law Development Center. Yes, so he's also a lawyer. I am also one. He was a
land friends.
Yeah.
Land couple.
Tujakot adjourning am adjourning.
Court adjourned.
So we met and I think he liked what he saw.
Yeah, he saw a queen.
Yes. So he, I think, gets my number and we meet. Yes.
Did you meet there and then, like, what is our meeting?
Yes, he asked and then I accepted. Yes.
Why did you accept?
He's a very good person. He's very good. He's a very good man. And abantu abangi bagamba nze bange mwagalako kino oba kino. But for me, Ivan Okoth is an amazing man. So agamba nti kino tayo. No, he's just good. He's just perfect. He's calm. He's loving. He's patient. Yes.
Ivan olaba yakuwangula. Wamani.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my God, I have a lot, but Ivan Kwano, njagala kwebaza, webale nnyo. We did our kuchala, kangambe kuchala in September. Nangamba ne Resty embaga eriko in front, eriko halako. Will you wait? Nenga Mukwano nze, I am waiting. I don't know, but me, I'm going to wait. Runo runako ndusabide Sharita. I have prayed. I have trusted God. I knew exactly what I wanted. Namanya nti ngenda kwambala kala wait. No, I went to the shop. I said I want that royal blue. I want this white, and that was it. I love blue. It speaks royalty.
Yes.
It also speaks elegancy. and love. And our favorite color, Mojako Orange, is royal blue. Tujagala nnyo. So I thought, why not shine for him the first time in royal blue?
I can't stop looking at you.
Ivan, I love you so much. Mukwano webale nnyo kujja twakwakira. Webale kusiima.
Kale dear, bakobe webaza mukwano.
Nebaza. First of all, I thank God. God Katonda abeera abantu bagamba from day one naye Katonda planned everything ekinkwatako Sharita perfectly. Guno omwezi then the other month I graduated also from LDC banaye Katonda nonya nekyemuwa oba after here oba ngendeko oba mu Thanksgiving ngayanze nzeka I don't know but I first thank God
yabadde mwene ensonga mama nze Katonda aliyomu wachasinga.
Yes, so I thank God Sharita. I know Katonda yatubeererawo mu buli kimu. Then I thank my parents. Mami. Eyengato no. Olwolugoye kale tukole bweti. Kino ekintu kijja kuvaayo ng'okoze bwoti ne bwoti. Mami, thank you very much. You designed me. You are patient. Nanjange wakanga nkwe Sharita. I was organizing this function nga bwenkola. I got leave last week only. I work with Biagaba Advocates. It's on Airways House. To be a lawyer we majorly deal or handle company matters. So naye I thank Mommy and Daddy. I thank my sisters, Innocent. Thank you so much. May God bless you, Yvonne, Queen. Abantu bonna Sharita. Organizing committee omukolo gwange bannaye neyanziza ba mates. I have over 29 mates. 29 sayagadde bino nti napikinze nepi sagala maid kumumenya. Yes, we bali nti maid bwakyusa kino maid wange ano ayambala kale ekyo n'atuula ne tufuluma. So ba maid bange babadde nange na creating a group mu March. The function is in July, so you see that time. Thank you so much. Banaye banji ba stakeholders, ba service providers, omuchala nkoledde decoration, omuchala wechfo, abafumbi, aba music, aba entertainment. Nankozeko anyambaziza Penny, neyanza Mukwano, ankozeko makeup, Shilat, akaviri, ice-penny, neyanziza banaye, neyanzege. Sharita, thank you so much for humbling me and putting me on TV. Thank you so much. I am grateful.
Just wish you the best.
Thank you so much, Sharita. Hi, Okoth. I love you so much. I call him XYXIO with love. When we XY. Those are unusual. Era bwe tuzikosa ngamanya either he wants my attention or ayagala ye.
Walwe yagambanga munne enkuba etonya. Naye mwaka mwenga kali advanced.
Kali nnyo. Era wakateeka ku status mamanye no message ebadde yange. So Mukwano, thank you so much. It's just the beginning. We are tying the knot on Saturday.
I'm going to show you love.
I am going to show you love. I am not going to show. I have already begun showing. Nzize Mukwano nkwagala nga I don't know, I've been faithful. Twali mu long distance, naye netwekuuma. I love him so much. I welcome you to my family. I know your family also loves me. It's just the beginning of forever.
Amen.
Amen.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Miss Shari.
I wish you the best.
Thank
Naye
you.
owulidde kye bayita omukwano XYO. Tova ku Delta TV nkwagala nnyo katulabe ate n'abazadde abazaala ekimyula ettaala oba okitegeera omwana Resty mu butuufu Okoth agenda kuwummulira wa Resty ng'erinnya lye Resting.
I'll bring rest to his life.
Amen. Tova ku Delta TV tukole nkwagala nnyo. Bye bye.
Yebale Abaga karoro kariwa.
Somebody, telling me why you're falling for me. I gotta feel the calling from head to toe. I gotta come up one. Hey, for now it's suit.
No approach. Hey, never dance. Never dance. Dennis, are you happy? Abishwe tubona twabareta sebo mukuru witu nkoko watutuma kandi ubona ko twabareta bari hano nawe ico Dennis atatubi hatandikira
umuguru sinenda kusima akucira kuterera mu ngaro mpango munonga aha bo gukora ikintu cyabo zire bashimirwa barakora kureberera abana ababojo n'ababishiki bakarebekaje kandi kugira ngo abishiti batambura bonka babe bine ba bodyguard ubujungu aragira ngo safety number 1 okay konka okundi kubareba ba Resty
apana Dennis wazo mubana nko busheru rugo mubana ruyere
mazima Resty Restatuta unandi kugamba mazima muntu yati nabureba
indi zina bamwesiroha
Restatuta Kemigisha
umwimbuta Kemigisha
anyete nacenga Dennis wo kuwareba
face kwetabayo face buzima ati yabayo iwe mugaruke ugende mugambire Resty ngo mugurusi yagira ngo kintu time eco mu ratini ya esere muri tempus approaching quanti
ubwo mubana manyo
time is approaching
nico ntinire
for her to come very fast and we do what ati mugende mugambire
sawa niyo batugambire sigazi yakureba kubi
Ochala bw'okwanjula n'embaga.